Monster Truck Madness. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Sorry, that one was boring. I'll try and do better. Here we go again. Hopefully this one will be better. Whoa! It's on his back. It is on its back. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That was awesome. Look at that. That's one mad monster. This is Monster Truck Madness thingy. And this is a big one. Whoa! Oh. It survived! Wow. That's a tough truck. Monster Truck Madness! That's a few jumps. Monster Truck Madness! This is Monster Truck Madness, and this is quite a good jump. Let's go. Whammy! Wow. See, this truck is very stable. It is awesome. Monster Truck Madness. Random one. That was very pointless. Truck Madness. This one isn't the scary or random jumpy as the others. It's just a hill. Or is it? In the leaves. Okay, that was boring. Monster Truck Madness. Random hill. That's pretty boring. Monster Truck Madness. Monster Truck Madness! Monster Truck Madness! Random thing. And it's stuck.
What do you think of it, Robs? Is it good? It's fun.
Monster Truck Madness! This could be the final one. Show them the course. Let's go!